this is a time when people are looking for something which is beyond, beyond their heads. Organizations have been bringing their head into everything. They have been working really hard, bringing those systems and structures and the frameworks and everything. And maybe, that was a time before 2020 March. People thought they got it right. They know what's the success formula. They know what it works for people, how to make people more efficient. But, after 2020 March onwards, I don't think anybody can say, I know, what needs to be done. I know, how to achieve that success, because suddenly everything that we knew has been questioned. So this is why the important segment of this program, we thought, we'll name it as I don't know it yet. And I don't know it yet is something that we need to, have that mindset while being here. Not just you, even with we as speakers also. That's the guidelines we gave them. They said, okay, what is that we want us to speak? You say, okay, just admit that there are things that I don't know, maybe things that I'm experimenting with, and sharing your experiments with the world.